Today I'm doing a bit of a double test, which is why I'm looking like a clown. To make the whole clown getup look even more perfect, I've decided to go with the DJI Osmo Nano to get an overhead perspective rather than using the overhead cam that I normally use. I decided to do like more of a action cam style today. It's just, like I said, all a bunch of tests. Today we have both the R16 that I modded prior, which has wind engine switches in it. That's the blue ones here. And then we also have a normal one, that's a normal R16, with just the standard switches, right? So for one, sound test first. They do sound very different, right? And most importantly though, the feeling of the difference in switches is quite significant. Like, this almost feels like you need to strain yourself at this point. Let's open this thing up. So these are the wind engine switches, right? These are the shadow hunting switches on the same controller, the R16. And these are the shadow hunting switches on the 8-bit Doe. The 8-bit Doe is a very loud controller. Time for a test. So, yeah, this feels so much nicer. This controller is definitely the superior one in terms of handling, in my opinion, right? This one and this one both have shadow hunting switches installed in them now. Granted, this is all absolutely subjective, right? If you prefer the feeling of these buttons with whatever switches you have installed, right, then obviously this is the better one. I will keep playing both Street Fighter 6 and 2XCO on this controller for the time being, simply because I'm used to pairing with this button now, right? That's really all that comes down to it. I'm used to pairing with this button. The sound profile between these two. So, right? Like, this one is so much louder as well. I think the only thing this thing has really over this one is looks, because granted, also subjective, obviously, right? But I think this one looks really sick, but this one looks really boring. But you can put some custom artwork if you wanted to, right? I'm not really into that because I'm too lazy, but you could. In any case, that's me out. So yeah, thank you very much and see you next time. Bye-bye.